Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can turn off the YouTube homepage autoplay feature on your YouTube application. So you have the YouTube homepage autoplay feature enabled in your YouTube application, but you don't like that feature and want to disable that feature, but somehow you can't figure out how you can do that. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you the simple steps in order to disable the YouTube homepage autoplay feature. So the first thing you want to do in order to disable the YouTube homepage autoplay feature is open your YouTube application. So once you open your YouTube application, you can see that the video is automatically playing on your home page. So to disable this feature, what you want to do is tap on the accounts icon on the top right corner. From the account icon, go to your settings. From the settings, what you want to do is go to your general settings. Once you go to your general settings, the fourth option will be labeled as playback in feeds. That is the YouTube homepage autoplay feature. Tap on that option. Here you'll see that it's set to always on. So once it's set to always on, the YouTube homepage autoplay feature will be activated. Now what you want to do in order to disable that feature is set it to off. Once you set it to off, you'll successfully disable the YouTube homepage autoplay feature. Now go to your homepage. Here you can see that the video is not autoplaying anymore. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information.